Yo, what's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy, and let's talk about this weekend, bro. This past weekend, bro. Like, I ain't getting no sleep this weekend, bro, and it's not because I'm just an insomniac. Get it? I take. Never mind. We ain't even gonna go there. This ain't about no rap beef. I'm just saying this weekend was the greatest weekend ever. Um, when you talk about hip hop, this week and was it was that. Like it started on Friday and it went all the way through last night when Drake sent off, what I think is a concession or I don't know. It sounds like all right, we're not doing that. We're here to talk about sneakers. That's what we're here to talk about. Yeah. So, what happened this weekend, bro? What happened, man? What happened to all that energy on the Jordan 4 industrial blue, military blue? Bro, we know what they were, right? But this follows a trend that has been happening for a while now. So when OG Jordans drop, right? They always tend to do what some of the resellers and people in the sneakerhead community that just really just like to use buzzwords to get attention. They say they are sitting or they are bricks, right? But this is a thing that has been happening for a while now. When the cherry, yeah, when the cherries drop, bro, when the playoff, we can go on. Let's see what else dropped, and it sat there for a while. When the Carmines dropped again, yeah, bro, it's just I don't know. I don't really understand what sneakerheads really want these days, right? We got a OG Jordan 4 that we've been waiting on for a while, right? And now we are complaining that they're available. What the what damn difference does it make if the shoe is available or not? Who cares? If you want the shoe, go get the shoe. Bruh, it sounds like a tirade, but it's not. It's just y'all are so confusing when we talk about sneakers, bro. We don't know what we want. Albeit, I already made my video on the military blue fours, not no damn industrial. Um, and that shoe is as close to the OG as you can get. Now the quality may be a little lacking. That's fine, but we still have a banger of a sneaker. And the fact that you could actually obtain it for a little above retail, that's crazy. What are we complaining about? Do we just are we just in the market to make money, or are we just in the money for clout just because we have something on that we pay retail for and it's going for double the price? Is that where we at right now? Cause it just don't make it make sense. Make it makes it don't make no sense to me. I promise you, I'm not on a tirade. I just don't understand where the mindset of some of these people are when it comes to talking about sneakers. Ever since the drop on Saturday, we went from on Thursday to oh wait a minute, let's watch the stock numbers on these. It ain't looking good right now. It looks like it's less than we thought. And then Friday and Saturday hits, we get early stock numbers where the numbers are through the roof. I don't speculate on stock numbers. I don't really care because if I want a shoe, I'm gonna get it at retail because we ain't doing that resale shit. We're not doing that. But it just, bruh, it's so confusing to me about what we actually want as sneakerheads, bruh. Do you want to be able to cop a damn shoe at the store, online, day of release, or on the shock drop prior to, so you can have the shoe and appreciate the shoe, or do you want it just because status? That's what you want, right? That's what we want. I guess that's what we want. That's the day and age that we live in. I think for me, on behalf of all the OGs in the sneaker game, bro, This is what it used to be, bruh. You used to be able to go to the store on the day of release and cop a damn sneaker. We didn't care whether it sold out or not. We did. If we was late getting there, we was pissed off because it was sold out. Now, these days, people don't make a move until somebody else say so. This whole influencer thing is fucking crazy to me. But I ain't. It is what it is, bro. It was a good weekend, man. If you wanted the military blue fours, you was able to get them. If you a fan of hip hop, you got some hip hop this weekend. Probably ain't getting no sleep like I did. Yeah, but we got what, bruh, this was true essence of the culture this weekend, bruh. You got a classic sneaker and you got some hip hop that's just gonna just, whether you like one side or the other, if you a fan of hip hop, bruh, you appreciate everything that went on this weekend. I don't know, bro. Let me know in the comments, bro, what y'all think about this rap beef. Number one. Number two, what y'all think about these sneakers, bro? Is it cool that these OG releases that we're able to actually get them on release day? Unlike the Travis Scotts that nobody really got. If you did, you probably just gonna resell them anyway. Or you just got them for status. Let me know down in the comment section, bro. Nuts. I'm gonna go listen to Meet the Grams or Not Like Us or The Heart Part 6. I gotta, I don't, bruh. It was a good weekend, bro. I don't know what y'all talking about. I'm getting on out of here, man. Peace.